Welcome to my channel. 2 easy ways to factory reset a Linksys router. Method 1. Using the reset button. Power off your computer. Locate the small button labeled reset. It's a small inset button that's typically on the back of the router. Straighten a paper clip. You will use this to press the reset button. Press and hold the reset button. The power light should blink while you're holding the button. Wait for the power light to stop blinking. When the power light is solid, the reset is complete. Unplug your router. You'll want to power cycle your router after you've reset it to apply the changes. Wait 60 seconds and plug it back in. If the power light is still flashing after 1 minute, try unplugging the router, wait for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Power on your computer. After your router is factory reset, you may need to reconnect to a wireless network if your computer isn't connected with a cable. Open a web browser to test for an internet connection. Method 2. Go to http://192.168.1.1 in a web browser. This should connect you to the router. If not, the address should be located on your router along with the username and password. Enter your username and password in the labeled fields and click Login. If you haven't changed them from the factory defaults, leave the username blank and enter admin for the password. That information is also on your router. Click the Administration tab. It's at the top of the Window tab. Wait for the power light to stop blinking. When the power light is solid, the reset is complete. Click Restore Factory Defaults. It's a button in the center of the window.